We left Trvalj National Park, Slovenia for Dubrovnik, Croatia to soak up some sun and to see some history.
So we are currently in the fort they shot the Game of Thrones in. Have you ever watched it?
I watched like the 2 seasons of it. I never got into it though.
I've never seen an episode, but I can completely understand why they would shoot it here. It is unbelievable inside this place. Yeah.
What I didn't know was that there's actual residents that live here. That surprised me. I figured that this would be more of like a museum, and then of course shops and restaurants. But we followed a local up, basically I think next to where she lives.
Yeah, and she showed us a bar and a place to eat. So it was very nice of her.
It was, yeah, she was sweet. But yeah, that shocked me is that residents actually live in
Look at the difference between the high traffic area and the low traffic area.
listening to some, how would you describe this girl? Singing Sir Mix-a-Lot. My Anaconda.
I don't know.
Is it My Anaconda or Big Butts?
My Anaconda, but it's a remix.
Like, you don't even know what you're listening to. Some of our tomatoes are always that and basil, mozzarella.
Got some local hot sauce for the pizza. This stuff is as good as it gets. You want to clean my thumb?
Oh, you touched right up by the bottle. I don't know where your thumb's been. It could have been up your ass.
Well, I just washed it with the wet wipe.
I don't think this is the restaurant to suck on your thumb at.
Okay. So Croatia had their own currency for a while. I think I said that right, Croatia. But they had their own currency for a while, and back in January, they just switched to the euro. Some people aren't happy because the euro is not worth as much as a Croatian dollar. It's causing like a bit of a headache with the restaurants and touristy areas because they have to jack the prices up to make for the difference. Also, fun fact, 1 in every 3 houses is owned by a foreigner. The housing here is pretty hard to get a hold of. Like, it's pretty hard to buy a house here because so many foreigners from other countries own a house. Do you think the clock still works?
No. It's like 4 something. It's 4:41.
I don't know, but they're big.
There's nothing that. Free passage. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't read it. I didn't have any time to read it because we have a certain flag on our license plate. I wasn't able to read what we needed. We already passed? No sign?
Use the right lane to take exit 1. Watch disaster testing.
Did it look like there was anybody in the information
No,
center?
there's nobody in here.
Oh well. Hopefully we don't need anything.
right here. So baby, it's the king's right here. You gotta
Watch out, baby. Baby, stop.
Ooh! If he would have fucking hit you!
your leg like kick it like karate. That when I be with Jay. One more. Got your cash on. Just this, man. It's all sweaty. These feet.
In half a mile, turn left. Turn left. Then the destination is on your left.